If you've ever struggled with finding the right colors for your project, today I'm going to share one of my top tools for selecting colors. Hi, I'm Melissa the Stamp Doc. This is my color coach. And when I am stumped on what colors to use on one of my cards, I always turn to this so that I can pick out the right color combinations. So let me show you how it works. So inside, I have little cardstock swatches for each of our Stampin' Up! Colors, and then I have the little cards that gives me color combinations for each one of those colors. This allows me to easily pick which colors I want to use and mix and match colors to come up with the perfect color combinations. So let me just show you some cards that I did using the new Color and Contour stamp set. So using this fresh freesia, you can see we've got the same color cardstock here. And I'm going to use this combination of fresh freesia, gorgeous grape, and granny apple green. And this is how that turned out. So you can see using all of those colors, everything coordinates very nicely and those mix very well together. So the next one I did was with the polished pink, and I used polished pink, mango medley, and mossy meadow. So here is our beautiful polished pink. This is one of our new in colors, and this is how that looks with the polished pink, the mango medley, and mossy meadow. Our next colors that I'm going to show you is with Evening Evergreen. And for that one, I used Evening Evergreen, Shaded Spruce, and Crushed Curry. And this is how that one turned out. There you go. Our next one is Soft Succulent. And on this one, I used Soft Succulent, Mint Macaron, and Rich Razzleberry. And here we go. And the final new in color is Pale Papaya. And with that one, I used Pale Papaya, Calypso Coral, and Basic Gray. And this is how that looked. So here we got 5 different looks, all different color combinations. And normally I would not have put these together. These are definitely something that, had to be inspired as far as color goes. So definitely you can get so many different looks. I use the same layout on these, so you can go look on my blog and you can see these close up. Now, if you want to put together your own color coach, let me show you what you'll need. So the first thing you'll need is one of our 6x8 photo albums. Now, this is one of the older ones. The newer ones just simply have a black binder here, and they're only $10 each. So it's a great buy and really handy, very sturdy, and you could definitely decorate this however you want it. Then you're going to need a variety pack of our page protectors. And you're going to need at least 2 packages of those. I would really recommend you go ahead and get 3, just so that in case that's ever discontinued, you've got extra ones to add more colors to. So most of these I use the split by 4, but some of these, this is 2 down here and then 1 large one up here. So it still works. You can use all of them, but the only one that you don't use in that variety pack is the big one. But if you purchase the album from me and the page protectors, I will also send you my little cover sheet that I created here. So there's just a file for that. So speaking of files, you'll need to go to my blog because I do have the files for all of these color combinations available. So you'll download those and print them onto basic white cardstock. I believe there's 2 different files. So there's one for the in colors, and then there is one for all of our other 40 colors. So I believe that takes 9 sheets altogether. So you're going to print those out, and then you're going to cut them apart so that they measure 3 inches by 4 inches. And I recommend you probably cut them just a slight bit smaller than that, so they fit nicely into the page protectors. And then the final thing you'll need are your cardstock swatches. So if you already own all of the cardstock colors, you're just going to cut those down to 3 inches by 4 inches and add those to the color coach. If you don't have those, I do have some available that are already pre-cut. You can order those on my blog. It's just $12, and that includes shipping for you. But that would allow you to quickly and easily put that together. So that is how you can put together your very own color coach today. So I hope you'll give this a try, and thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back soon for more projects for you.